Hey guys, hopefully everybody's having a great day today. Today I will be drinking some Sprite Tropical mix. I never had this kind, but I actually got it from 7-Eleven, so I'm going to check it out and see how it is and see how the burp is for this drink. I would also try to actually say ZONOZZ G&K name while I'm burping, or did he want me to actually say BB? He said, burp my name, BB, please. Okay, I can actually try to do that, but I don't know. Yeah, let's try it, but let's go. I'm not for sure if his name on YouTube is ZONOZZ G&K, and then he said, burp my name, BB, please. Okay, let's see how it's gonna go. It smells good. It smells like a good tropical smell. Smells like it actually tastes good. So yeah, let's get it started. It smells good, but it's actually nasty. Yes, actually on the nasty side. I'll just stick with some regular Sprite. Yeah. I actually tried to say his name, BB or whatever. Hopefully that's his actual name. I don't know if it's the actual typo. Oh, when he said burp my name. But hopefully that actually worked. I don't know if you want me to actually say ZONOZZ G&K though. But yeah. I think this smells like some fragrance that you would actually put in your car though. It doesn't smell like much anything like as far as a drink. Excuse me. I'm hoping that was his name. I'm hoping that was his name. I'll do it again on the next video. If ZONOZZ G&K, did you want me to like burp ZONOZZ G&K or just burp your name, BB? Hopefully that is efficient, but yeah. Oh, I don't know why every time I get something from 7-Eleven, it seems like they drinks are like hella watered down though. It's not giving me anything. Oh, that feels better. But I think I'm done. But yeah, let me know what you guys would like me to do on the next video. I think I'm officially done for the night. It's not giving any burps, so I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like, subscribe, share, whatever you feel like doing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.